I wake up feeling good. I smile and start my day. I feel calm and peaceful in a simple, happy way. The sun is in the sky. The air feels fresh and new. I take a deep, slow breath. I know what I can do. I do not need much to feel happy today. I enjoy small moments that come my way. I am happy today. I feel good inside. I am happy today. I smile with pride. I am happy today. My heart feels light. I am happy today. Everything feels right. I hear a gentle sound. I see a friendly face. Simple things around me make this a happy place. I drink my morning tea. I take my time and breathe. Happiness is something I choose and I believe. I let go of worries. I let go of fear. I focus on this moment right now, right here. I am happy today. I feel good inside. I am happy today. I smile with pride. I am happy today. My heart feels light. I am happy today. Everything feels right. I walk at my own pace. I do not rush or run. I enjoy what I am doing, even simple fun. I talk with friendly people. I listen when they speak. Sharing kind, small moments makes my whole day sweet. Being happy does not mean every day is the same. It means I choose to smile even when things change. I learn to love myself and enjoy what I see. A happy little moment is enough for me. I am happy today. I feel good inside. I am happy today. I smile with pride. I am happy today. My heart feels light. I am happy today. Everything feels right. The day moves on slowly. The light begins to fade. I think about the moments and the choices that I made. I feel calm and thankful for this gentle day. I go to sleep smiling, feeling happy this way. I am happy right now in this place, this time. I carry this feeling like a song